Kosai Osho and the Sea Turtles. Once upon a time in Bingo province, there was a great temple called Mitani Dera. When the temple was built, there was no gold for adorning the image of the Buddha. The people of the province went to meet a priest called Kosai Osho. They asked the priest to take the different kinds of produce by boat to Kyoto and sell them for gold. After completing his tasks, Kosai went to the port of Osaka. He was about to board the boat for home. Suddenly, he saw some fishermen who were about to kill the 4 big turtles they had caught. His heart was moved. He paid to the fishermen and bought the turtles. Then he let them loose in the sea. He set sail soon after that. But while returning, a pirate ship appeared. The pirates held 2 of his attendants and they threw them into the sea. Kosai Osho and the pirates. Now, the pirates turned towards Kosai and said, "You go into the sea too. If you won't go by yourself, we will throw you like your attendants." With no other option, Kosai climbed overboard to jump. The pirates rowed off with the boat loaded with gold. As he jumped into the sea, Kosai landed upon something like a rock. He stood on it the whole night. In the morning, he looked closely, and what he thought was a rock was actually a huge turtle shell. On returning to his own village, he told this strange story. Everybody praised him for his kindness towards the turtles, who had repaid his kindness. A big temple was now built. Some men came there to sell gold. Kosai went out to see. Among them were 6 of those pirates. They recognized Kosai. But Kosai only told them the price of the trade and gave it to them. The wicked pirates took the money and silently went away. The Magic Kettle. Once, a poor man was walking through the woods. He found a tanuki caught in a trap. Overcome with pity, he set him free. That night, the tanuki visited the poor man. The tanuki said, "Thank you for your kindness. As a token of my gratitude, I will tell you something very important. The priest at the Morinji temple is looking for a tea kettle. I will disguise myself as a tea kettle and then you sell it to him." The tanuki transformed himself into a wonderful gold tea kettle. The man was surprised. He took the kettle to the priest, who was glad to see it. He paid a high amount for it. The priest took the tea kettle to the temple and ordered a new priest to wash it. The new priest went to the river and started washing it. Suddenly, the tea kettle cried, "You're hurting my bottom. The new priest was shocked and told the priest. But the priest did not believe him. The Tanuki. The priest then boiled some water. He filled the tea kettle and placed it on the fire. The Tanuki screamed, "It's hot!" Unable to bear the flames, the Tanuki transformed back into his true form and rushed back to the poor man. The Tanuki gave an idea to the poor man. "Let's go into the town. I will remain in this tea kettle form and perform a tightrope walk." The next day, they went to the town for a show. "Come and see the amazing tea kettle tightrope walking show," he loudly announced. Inside, the Tanuki tea kettle lightly walked across the rope and sang. Quickly, the word spread that there was a magic tea kettle that performed stunts. It became famous and the spectators kept increasing. The poor man became rich. Eventually, the Tanuki remained in the form of the tea kettle and lost its ability to move. It was returned to the priest at the temple and kept as a valuable temple treasure. Thanks for watching. Do like, share, subscribe to Sahil Book House.